My thought process behind the plastic wrap was simply just to protect the mold. I know how tough Vaseline is to get off of stuff and thought this would just help with cleanup in the end. Wrong. Realistically, this is actually my first mistake, using Vaseline in the first place. I had it on hand, it's easy to use, and obviously you can kind of sculpt it how you want, so in that sense, this worked for what I wanted. Honestly though, I knew right at this point that the saran wrap was a mistake. As soon as I poured the resin in, I knew I shouldn't have had the plastic there, but too late. I can tell by looking that this got the look that I wanted, but here's where the fun begins. Not only did the plastic wrap keep the resin from going right to the edge and creating a nice smooth edge, it got stuck in the edges. Really hard to get out. It was fine where the Vaseline was, but not on the edges. But let's talk about this Vaseline. Obviously, I knew going into this it was going to be a bit messy and tough to clean, but I think I really did underestimate it. Stuck in all the little crevices and extremely greasy, as you would know, it took me a long time to get it all off. I did eventually get there with a lot of work. There's still plastic wrap and Vaseline stuck in the edges of this piece, but this was an experiment and it definitely gave me the look I was going for. I think it looks awesome. A good what happens if experiment, and I have some ideas to try something similar in the future, but no